video, I am reviewing and testing out the Rembrandt Whitening strips. I found these at my local Dollar Tree store. 4 strips, you get 2 upper liners and 2 lower liners. That equals 2 total treatments. Instructions are easy enough. Number 1, peel the wrap from the back liner. Number 2, place adhesive side on front of teeth, applying the lower wrap first. And then number 3, wear it for 30 minutes. Easy enough, right? Well, this turned into a 5-minute Where's Waldo episode for me, which is the sticky side. I struggled a little bit, not gonna lie, but eventually I did figure out that the side that is stuck to the foil is the side that you put on your teeth. With that crisis averted, I returned to applying them and then waited, but 30 minutes later, and these were the results. I think that these did fairly well compared to a lot of the other whitening strips that I have tried out. These seem to take it down 1 to 2 total shades. I could definitely tell from my before pictures that my bottom teeth were that slightly tinted yellow color just from drinking soda, having coffee. So with these whitening strips, I think that these were a total steal for $1, and I would use these again. Now I do know that you can find these Rembrandt whitening strips at your local Dollar Tree or on Amazon. On Amazon, they do sell these for over $7, so if you can find them at your local Dollar Tree, I do recommend buying them for just the $1. They do, however, on Amazon have a 7-day whitening kit as well. It's $20. That might be worth looking into. If you guys would like me to try out that product, give me a thumbs up and I will let you know my results in another video. Let me know down in the comments section if you've tried out this product, how are your results? As always, guys, thanks so much for watching. Remember, I love every single one of you. I hope that you have a great day. Remember to spread kindness to yourself and to others, and I'll see you guys in my next video.